Are you ready to try the new version of Fusion? It looks a little different, but there are lots of things that make life easier. Your menu is underneath the profile picture at the top right, and this is where you would sign out, and it's also where you would change your language and your layout. So I'm going to click on Layout, and if your school lets you, you can change your layout and theme here. If I click on this Fun tab, there are some great themes to choose from. There's also lots of others, so you can explore these and see if there's any you like. Just choose the one you like, and you can straight away see it change. Click on the Home button, and you can see this is a really nice example of a theme that looks great. Finding your way around is easy too. It doesn't matter where you are on the system. You can always find your way around by going to this Quick Links menu at the top left. It has all the same links that your button theme has, so it doesn't matter where you are, you can always go straight to where you need to go. On the left here is a quick link to all your usual spaces, such as your classes and learning spaces. This plus icon allows you to create things straight away from wherever you are, and they'll always be saved to your My Files area. If you want to find out what's going on in school, click on the news icon here, and it will tell you what's in the school advertiser and in the school news, and you can click on any one of these to view. There are also some quick access buttons at the top to take you to your content library, My Files and Messages. So that's it. It's quick, it's simple, and it's easy to find your way around. So give Fusion NG a try, you won't regret it.